In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up tax settings in WooCommerce. If you're configuring an online store, getting your tax setup right is an important part of making sure your pricing and checkout experience are accurate. WooCommerce gives you built-in tools for this, and once you know where to find them, the process is fairly straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to enable tax options, choose the right tax behavior for your store, and add the tax rates you need. To begin, open your WooCommerce settings area and go to the General section. This is where you'll find the main store-wide options. In this section, look for the setting that allows tax rates and calculations. Enable that option so WooCommerce can start handling tax for your products and orders. Once that's turned on, save your changes. This is important because saving will activate the additional tax settings you'll need in the next step. After saving, you'll now see a new tax tab in your WooCommerce settings. Open that tab to access the tax configuration options. One of the first decisions you'll make here is whether the prices you enter for products already include tax or exclude tax. This depends on how you want to display pricing in your store and how your local tax requirements work. If your listed prices already have tax built in, choose the inclusive option. If tax should be added during checkout, choose the exclusive option. Make sure this matches how you want customers to see prices across the store. Next, choose how tax should be calculated based on customer location. WooCommerce lets you calculate tax using either the customer's shipping address or billing address. In most cases, shipping address is commonly used because it reflects where the product is being delivered, but you should select the option that fits your business and tax rules. Once that's set, open the Standard Rates section. This is where you'll enter your main tax rates. Add the country, state, zip, or postal code and the applicable tax rate for each location where tax applies. Take your time here, because these details determine how tax is charged at checkout. Accurate entries help avoid pricing errors and customer confusion. If your store needs different tax treatments for certain products, you can also add reduced tax classes or zero-rate tax classes when required. This is useful if some items are taxed at a lower rate or are not taxed at all. When everything has been entered and reviewed, save the tax settings. That final save ensures all your tax rules are active and ready to apply in your WooCommerce store.